Welcome back. This is the second video on modes. So today I'm just going to play them all through for you and just show you the kind of positions of them, or some of the positions. I'm going to start on, actually just a recap on the theory of it. So a mode is a scale starting or ending on a different note. So I'm going to start on the 6th position, which is bizarre, but I'm starting on that because that's the minor position, which you may probably know better if you're a guitarist especially. So this is called Aeolian, so natural minor, so the name is Aeolian, which is a bit bizarre if you haven't heard it before, but deal with it. So if I start on A minor, so 5th fret, that's the minor, okay. If we move up to the 7th fret, so that's built around a minor chord, sorry, that one. The next one's built around a minor 7 flat 5 chord, which you can play like that, or like that. Sounds like this. A lot more of a jazzy chord, jazzy vibe, that one, not that common. Then we use, next one is major, but this is actually built around the same shape. You just start one note later in the shape, which is just like the theory. So we miss out the B, miss out the 7th fret, start on the 8th, and then you end on the 8th fret here. So that's called Ionian, but its less formal name is major scale, which we know it as. Then we move up to Dorian, which we did in the first video. Like this one. If you're new to modes, this is a good one to try because it's very similar to the minor pentatonic, but just with a bit more of a different flavour, which is nice. Then we move up to Phrygian. Have to remember that. Minor as well. Then we've got Lydian, which shares the shape again. So it's the same shape, but you just start one note later. So rather than going, you've now got it's happier. Then finally we've got Mixolydian, which is quite a jazzy bluesy one, built over a dominant chord, which sounds like this. Like that one. And then it pulls you back into the minor, back into number 6. Nice chord, sweet chord. So they're the basic shapes. They all connect together and they all are essentially the same thing. So whereas I moved then and played them in root position, I could have played them all in the same place. For example, I played A minor first, or A Aeolian. I could have played, for example, C major in this same position if I'd have started from this note instead. Just chose to play it in root position so you could see all those shapes. So the idea is, learn those 5 shapes which contain all 7 modes, because remember some of them borrowed, and then experiment with them. Use shapes to play different modes, and then you've unlocked the whole fretboard. Cool. Any questions, put them in the comments below, or see me. Cool. Awesome. Bye bye.
There is something that I should need.